New to crypto trading and looking for passive income streams? You're not alone. As a trusted cryptocurrency exchange and the world's leading copy trading platform, Bitget gives you the tools and tips to trade with ease. Today, we're diving into copy trading, a popular choice for beginner traders to reap the rewards of more experienced traders. Skip to any chapter in the video to learn more about being a follower on Bitget's one-click copy trade. So, you've got the funds, but you don't have the time to keep track of all the coins and tokens jumping around the market. But you still want to make smart money moves. So, what do? Copy trading gives beginner traders a chance to copy every trade from a more experienced trader. As the world's largest digital copy trading platform, Bitget has over 12,000 professional traders to choose from, and 380,000 followers already using the function as a potential passive income stream. Followers have already made collectively over $120 million on our user-friendly platform. But copy trading isn't without some risks. So let's dive in to what you, as a beginner trader, need to know before you get started. The most important thing to remember is that copy trading involves automated executions. In other words, the trader you choose to follow can open and close trades without your manual intervention. On Bitget, you can set up limits on your copy trade profile so you're never caught off guard. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. You've probably heard this a million times before, and it still rings true when you pick a trader to copy. So make sure to pick your elite trader wisely. Bitget's Trader List offers different metrics to filter for your desired trader, including global ranking, followers, ROI, total P&L, copyers P&L, and assets under management, or AUM. Once you've found a trader you'd like to copy, simply tap the copy button on their profile. If they already have 150 followers, you can set a slot reminder to notify you when there's a space to become one of their followers. If you're one of the lucky 150, then you can go ahead and choose which futures to follow, as well as set limits on your trades. We offer two copy trade methods. With fixed amount, users can input the margin cost of each copy. For example, if you've selected BTC USDT futures and you choose to follow a fixed amount of 100 USDT, when a trader opens a position, you will automatically invest 100 USDT as a margin to open your own position. If you select the magnification mode, your positions are multiplied by the traders. For example, if you set the magnification option to 3 times, when a trader opens a position of 0.1 BTC, you will follow him automatically by opening a position of 0.3 BTC. You can manually input your stop loss and take profit orders so that if the trader you're following goes over your limit, you're not going to get stung. You can also set your position limits or how much you're limiting to follow a trader. The maximum single position limit is 3,000 USDT and a cumulative position of 50,000 USDT. Let's see this in action. If you start copying a trader, you can follow them with up to 3,000 USDT. If you like how things are going, you can increase this to 50,000 USDT. To confirm a copy trade, tap follow and watch your elite trader do all the work for you. Ready to copy trade? We're waiting for you. In the meantime, if you want to learn more about copy trading, follow our academy for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the Bitget YouTube channel for your daily dose of crypto.